Okay, today we have revision. As you know, we have revision for the second
Teacher, I
quiz.
don't have the worksheet.
It's available in Classera. Please download it and print it. Okay. This is the worksheet that I shared to you in Classera. And tomorrow, inshallah, we have quiz. So today we will revise the skills of chapter 3 and chapter 4. It's all about addition. So we will go through lessons quickly and we will focus on addition, how to add two numbers, whether you use regrouping or not. Okay, let's start with lesson 3.1 or the first lesson in chapter 3. In this lesson we are using number line. I will solve the first one here to show you how you can solve 20 plus 30 on the number line. We start at the first number, 20, and we make jumps of 10. How many jumps should we do? We have here 30. So we start at 20 and make how many jumps of 10? 3 jumps of 10. Okay, so let's do it. So the first jump, we land on 30. This is plus 10. The second jump, okay, we land on 40, plus 10 again. And this is the third jump, we land on 50. So these are 3 jumps of 10. And the sum is the number where we land. We landed on 50, so the answer is 50. Okay, any problems with that? So for the second one, you will make 6 jumps of 10. We start at 29 and 6 jumps of 10. For the third one, you make 2 jumps of 10. Start at 57 and make 2 jumps of 10. Tamim, I cannot hear you.
Teacher, I don't have the worksheet.
Okay, it's available in Classera.
No, teacher, I have it. I am Abdullah Khalid, I have it.
Okay, Abdullah. My heroes, if you don't have the worksheet, focus with me on what we are solving. And if you have any problems, you can ask.
No, I have.
Okay, now let's move to the second lesson. Okay, this is the second page. And this time we'll use also the number line. But we start at 54 and we add 21. And 21 means 2 jumps of 10. So we make, because of this 21, we make 2 jumps of 10. 2 jumps of 10. And 1 jump of 1. And 1 jump of 1. Okay, Abbas, please mute your mic. Abbas, mute your mic. So for the first jump, we land on. If I make here plus 10, so where should I land? 64. And this is the second jump of 10. So I land on 74. Then I make 1 jump of 1, so I land on 75. So the answer to the question is 75. Any problems? Okay, now let's move to the next lesson. In the next lesson, we add using place value. So let's solve one of these questions. Let's solve the first one. we rewrite 15 as 10 plus 5. We have 1 tens and 5 ones. 72. How many tens and how many ones? 7 tens, so 70. And how many ones? 2. Now we add the tens and add the ones. 10 plus 70 equals 80. 5 plus 2 equals 7. For the last step, we add these two together. 80 plus 7 equals 87. Any problems? Any problems? Okay, let's move to the next lesson. Here for this lesson, okay, we are doing another strategy. We will write the 23 as it is. This 23 is here. And we break the 62 to be 60 plus 2. Then add 23 plus 60. 23 plus 60 equals, help me my heroes, what is 23 plus 60?
$83.
83, excellent. And we have here this 2. Now 83 plus 2 equals? Yes? Excellent. So 23 plus 62 equals 85. This is another strategy that you can use to add two numbers. Okay, let's move to the next one. Any problems with this one? For the next one, we are using compensation. And to use compensation, you should see the numbers that you have. We have here 46 and 28. So which one is near to a decade number or near to a 10? I see that here, 28, I need only 2 to get to 30. So I add 2 to the 28. This is wrong in place. I should put it here. So I add 2 to the 28 to make it 30. Oh, sorry. And I subtract the 2 from the 64. So what we are doing, we will take 2 from this one and give it to the other one to make it 30. Now take these 2 and give it to the other number. Now, what is the first number? When we take 2, when we subtract 2, it should be?
44.
Excellent, my hero. And now we add 44 plus 30.
See the screen.
If you cannot see the screen, please try to rejoin.
74.
Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. For the second one, which one of the two numbers is near to 10? Is near to a 10? The 73 or the 19?
90.
Excellent, 19 is near to 20. So I need to add here. I need to add here how many? 1. So I take this one from the 73. I will erase this, I don't need this.
-1.
Okay, so I take 1 from the first number here and give it to the second one. So the first 72. And what about the second? 20. So it should be
92.
92. Excellent, my hero. Excellent. Thank you, Ali. Okay, my heroes. Any problems with compensation? Okay, for the next lesson. Okay.
Teacher, page 1. I don't know.
This is page 6, the 6th lesson in chapter 3. So here for this lesson, you can choose any of the strategies to find the sum. So here, for the first one, we have 40 plus 23. We can rewrite this as 40, this 40 as it is, and break the 23 to be 20 plus 3. And now 40 plus 20 is, what is 40 plus 20? Help me, my heroes. What is 40 plus 20? It's 60. And we have here plus 3. So 60 plus 3 equals 63. So the answer is 63. Okay. Any problems? Any problems? Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, for this question, you have 13 coins. This is you. You get 9 more. Your friend has 29 coins. And the question is, how who have, I think this is who have, this is written wrong. Here is missing the word who. Who have more coins? Or which one of you has more coins? You or your friend? Oh, sorry, this is not the question. How many? This is not have. This is how. How many coins do you and your friends? My heroes, everyone, please write here. How many? The question is how many coins do you and your friend have in all? So here we need to find what you have first, then add it to what is with your friend. So the first step is finding what you have.
13 plus 9.
13 plus 9. This is you. And after that, we will add 29. Okay, I need help to add this. طه الشقاقيق. طه الشقاقيق.
Yes, teacher.
13 plus 9 equals? Oh, you mean 22. You should move to the next tens. Okay, now we should add what you have and what your friend has. So 22 plus your friend is 29. So we need to add 22 plus 29. And you can use any of the two of the ways or strategies that we did before. But here I see that this is 29. What about making this 30? Let's make it 30. Ahmed Al-Haddad.
Yes.
Okay. we need to add 1 to the 29 to make it 30, right? So we take 1
Yes.
from the 22. The 22 will be 22 minus 1.
21.
21. And the 29 will be
30.
now 21 plus 30 equals
2 plus 3 equal 5.
so
And 1 plus 0 equal 1. 51.
so the whole number of coins is 51 coins. Thank you, Ahmed. Great work. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Okay, now let's start with regrouping. And for this regrouping, I will go directly to these questions. We have many questions here. And we can do this when we add. We can add ones first, then add tens. And if we need to regroup, we will regroup. Okay, let's go ahead. Ibrahim Al-Addal. Ibrahim Al-Addal. Ibrahim Al-Addal. علي الشخص. This is Ibrahim.
Yes.
Okay, Ibrahim, go ahead. Start with ones, then move to the tens. Okay, start with ones. 8 plus 7.
15.
So, what should I write?
5.
And
then we put the 1 of the
excellent.
10.
So we regroup.
Then we say 1 plus 2 plus 4. 7. So
Excellent,
that
my hero.
means 75.
Excellent, thank you, Ibrahim. So we regroup the 15 as 5 ones and 1 tens. Any problems, my heroes?
No.
Okay. علي الشخص. علي الشخص. غانم. غانم. غانم الدسري. غانم. Okay, Ghanem,
Yes,
go ahead.
teacher.
The second one.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
10, 9 plus 1.
Okay, so 10. Should I write 10?
Up 1.
Excellent. We write down 0 and carry up 1. Great. Continue.
8.
Are you sure?
9.
Of course, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 6 is 9. So the sum is
90.
90. Excellent, my hero. Thank you. Okay. Ali Musallam or Ali Abdul Rahman Musallam. Ali Abdul Rahman. Ali. Or this is Ali Muslim. Ali Muslim. Ali, answer me. I see your name. Okay, Abdullah Saleh. Abdullah Saleh. Abdullah Saleh. Hussein Al-Mayouf. Hussein Al-Mayouf.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. We start with ones, of course.
9 plus 6.
8 plus 6.
40.
14.
14.
So 4 and
4 up 1.
okay.
1, 2.
1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 5.
2 plus 5, 7.
So the sum is 75. Thank you, my dear.
Good.
Okay, Amir Buzbeh. Amir Buzbeh.
I'm here, teacher.
Go ahead, Amir.
Uh, 3 plus 2 equals 5. And the 4 plus 9 equals 4 plus 5 equals 9.
Excellent, my dear.
It's 59.
No.
95.
Yes, thank you, Amir. Great work. Okay, so my heroes, not all the time you need to regroup. For this one, we don't need to regroup because 2 plus 3 is 5. So it's just 5 ones. So we need to regroup when we have a number greater than 10. So 10, 11, like this. 10 or more. But if the number is only one digit, so there is no need to regroup. Like 5 here, just try the 5. Any problems? So for question number 4, we don't need to regroup. Sahmi? Sahmi?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, Sahmi.
11.
So we should write
No. 1.
and
1.
and my hero, you said 11. So we write down 1 and carry up 1. Okay, you said 7. 1 plus 4 plus 2 equals?
7.
Excellent, thank you, my hero. So the answer is, or the sum is, 71. Thank you, Sahmi. غنام. 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 غنام الدوسري. What, غنام?
Here.
Go ahead. Go ahead, غنام. غنام, we're not playing here. Go ahead. Use your mic, غنام.
4 plus 4 equals 8.
Great. So we don't need to regroup. Continue, my hero.
1 plus 3 equals 4.
So the sum is, read the number. Read it.
4.
Read it.
48.
Yes, thank you, Ghannam. Great work. Okay, my heroes. So not all the time you need to regroup. Sometimes you need to regroup, and sometimes you don't need to regroup. You need to regroup only if you have 2 digits and you cannot write 2 digits in the ones place. Any problems? Any questions? Okay, now my heroes, before I send to you the link of the game, I want to ask you if you have any problems or any questions about any skill or any question in chapter 3 or 4. Any problems? Okay, now I send to you the link of the game.